What's up, guys? Back with another YouTube video. Today I got my wheels for the Crosstrek and I said I'd upload a video when I got them. So yeah, got two Oddhan DS07 silver. Pop these puppies out and then video getting them on the tires. Here's Luke, by the way.
What's up?
So yeah, I got a set of Federal SS 595s. But yeah, let's unbox this puppy up.
I've been feeling so down.
Clean.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna get the wheel on my car just to see how the fitment looks, to see if it's poking out. Because it is like, my wheels right now are 55 offsets. These are 35, so it's a little bit deeper. So we'll just see. You can't return them after tires are on, so we should be good. But I'll just check that. All right, so we got the wheel on there, looking fresh. And yeah, the offset isn't too crazy. Pokes out a little bit, but I mean, it's clean. All right, guys, so we got the car loaded up with the wheels. Got the wheels, and then we got the tires. And my friends at Subaru are gonna hook us up. We're gonna put the tires on the wheels. So yeah, I do need some TPMS sensors. They are like 40-50 bucks each, so I'm probably not gonna do that till later. But yeah, we're gonna go over and get those on, and we'll see you there. And we are done. Got our setup. We're gonna put these bad boys on.
Yeah. Dude.
All right, guys. All done. Wheels are on. Super fly. Super dope. Got lower profile in there a little bit, but yeah, I mean, she looks good. Could lower it a little bit more. The front we could definitely lower some more. Like, look at that wheel gap. That's so good. All right, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned with more coming soon. About to get my car tuned. And yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated.